Hello folks, welcome to this new video. My name is Andre and today we're going to continue our update to my old image overlayer piece of software I made some time ago. All I've done last time was something like this. I can open an image and that's all. I can change transparency here and I can change the zoom, and that's all for the moment. Oh, probably you don't know this. I can lock on the top and unlock on the top. Now if I lock on the top this piece of software, even I'm using another software, it's not going to go down. If I unlock it like it is now, it's going to disappear down the other app. It loses focus. The new feature I'm going to add to this is to move our application. So let's see. My idea is to add an active here. Pointer. Okay, I'm going to use this name here, but it's not going to be that. So let's see what I can do with this piece of software here. Okay. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is let me show you. I made some experiments. Sorry guys. I made some experiments. And this is the new frontier. Let's see. In your no, I don't remember how this worked, but picture user right click. Okay. So basically, I'm trying to make to give to the user the possibility to paste an image inside of ClickTeam Fusion. So you basically go to Google and copy an image, like for example, I copy this thing here and I paste it. That's all. I mean, I managed it somehow to make this work. So it was mind-blowing But for now, I'm going to make this thing move, but I'm not finding the right example I made a few days ago. So let's see. Now, going to make a new group here. Let's move. Okay. User click right left button. So basically what is going to happen is that if the user clicks the left button, it's going to set the position of this new active to the mouse point, to X mouse and Y mouse. And what is going to happen is that if the mouse is overlapping, this, insert a new one, and repeat while the mouse is pressed. I'm going to add a terrible value A1. So basically, when you press the mouse button and you are in the same position, you basically are going to add some value to this. And I'm going to set it like half of a second. In half of a second, you can move that. So it's kind of, if you press a little bit and you can move it. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. I don't know if I explained it that good in words. So actually, I don't know if I'm live right now. Let's see if it's working. Okay, that's fine. It's working. Okay. Now what is going to happen is that if the player is not overlapping this thing here, negate, I'm going to change this position to something else, just out of the screen, right there. So basically, if I'm pressing it this way, no, it's not working. Why it's not working, this thing? Damn. I hate when this stuff happens. This actually should have been working, but I don't know why it's not working. Let's see if I can add here the active mouse pointer. Okay. Let me see if this thing work. Okay, it's working. Quite good. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if this is working. Okay, it's kind of working like you can see. Okay, it's kind of working, but it's not exactly what I need, so we're going to change this to something better. Can change that. Why it's not working? Exposition of the frame. I remember doing this, but I need to make that work. Hey, kitty. there's X position here. X coordinate. So I need to change the horizontal set position X coordinate frame windows. Okay, X mouse. Let's see. X position to X mouse now. Okay. I really don't get why this doesn't work. Now this is Hey, howdy, Jakarian. How are you doing? I'm trying to make this work, but actually it's flickering all around. And I don't know how to make that. Let's see, heading. So if I change this position, here it's going to be 0. No, actually it's not an events thing. I think it's based on the coordinates because mouse is calculated according to the workspace here of the frame map, while the motion, the position of the frame itself is calculated based on the desktop. So I need to find this out. So let's see. Always set this counter to. Yeah, probably. I don't know. Okay. The window object lets you get the actual mouse position. I don't know how to make that. So I'm going to set that. Okay, I think I found out how to make that. This is going to be plus let's see if this works. Okay, it's working, but that's a little problem here, and the problem is that I'm moving it according to the 0 coordinate. So what I'm going to do now is to change that stuff. And to make that, let's see. On the mouse click, I'm going to set the distance between the window and the mouse. So set. Actually, I'm going to add 2 values here. Let's see. This is going to be counter. Okay. Actually, I could have done that. Let's see. This should work actually. Oh, really good. It's not working. Okay. My fault here. Now we're really ready. Okay, no, that's minus. Okay. This should be the right time. Okay, yeah, it's working. It's working quite well. I'm really happy with this. So I'm going to remove the heading here because I just hate that thing that shows up. And I'm going to do same for the thank you, man. Set the Y coordination here. Coordinate to Y mouse plus, let's get the Y position here, plus the Y coordinate. Actually, it was minus the Y coordinate. Wait a minute. Yeah, this should be minus. The Y. Okay. Let's see if it's... okay, this should work. Let's see. Okay, no. That's not working. My mouse. Win, Y position. Minus 1. Let's see, probably I should do this plus. Nothing to lose, so let's see. Okay. Okay. Oh man, I hate when this stuff happens. Yay! I can do this now. Okay. Well, nice. Okay, let's move. And we have a new feature. The only thing now I need is to change the mouse icon when you can drag it. So let's see how can I do this. Interface, cursor. Yeah, there's the mouse object. Didn't know that. Oh damn. A bad thing is going to happen right now if I do that. Double pointed vertical arrow. Drag move. Let's see if this works. No, that's not this. Vertical arrow. Crosshair. What should this be? Actually, I can't install right now new extensions because if I do that, the live stream is going to be black. Okay, this is quite good. Okay. Standard arrow. Oh, I see what's happening. Okay. Yay! We have this, and we can do this as well here. This stuff here. And we can drag and drop. I mean, we are on our road. Now let's see if I can open an image here. Okay, this is my image. Okay, I can change this. Let's see here. The only bad thing about this method here is that actually the center point is on the top when I zoom and when I scale images. That's a little bit sad, but probably I can handle it somehow. Okay. I need a little break. Okay. See you, man. Don't worry. Have a nice drive there. Paste image. Image manipulator. Thanks to this piece of software, I can access to the clipboard and I can add images from the clipboard thanks to this. So how can I do that? And now we're going to find out. Let me see. Oh, I did that because I just don't remember anymore. So get image from clipboard. Convert to P. Oh, okay. I think I know how to do that now. The other thing we need is the file object. So probably this is going to be inside of the where are you? Right menu of this thing here. Or why not? Let's see if I can move this. Right, if it clicks on paste, a lot is going to happen. Okay. Can I find out if there's something on the clipboard? File loaded, mage, result, image type, sources. So basically this is going to save something even there's nothing, probably. Okay, let's try this out. Sad. That's fine. No. Just need to. Then what I'm going to do is clipboard, set clipboard, JPG, color, where is this? Flip image, take effects. Alright, load from clipboard. I'm going to use the sources. Okay, I need to use a flag, obviously, because without that I can't actually know if there's. Okay, rename this. There's an image is embedded. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is to turn on this thing. So go here and set. Paste, paste, paste. Or probably I shouldn't do it this way. I should do it in another way. So basically what I'm going to do is to make it unclickable if the image isn't loaded. So there's lock on top. No, I need paste here. Let's see, paste. And what I'm going to do is that each time you click the right button, you're going to load the image from on the resources here. This way, I'm sure I can do that only if the image is loaded. So, if Let's see. If I load it. If I load it. Set the flag here on. Set image on. If image isn't loaded successfully. Okay. I don't need another one set. I need just that. Because if there's an image, it's going to be one on. So that's all. If there's no image, it's going to be off by default. So here. So let's see. If image is on. I'm going to set this thing here, like this. Position, select, effects. Set effect to normal to known. If image is off, so negating this, I'm going to set the effect to monogram. Just a standard shader here. So this way, if I play this, we can see that it is monochrome because there's nothing. There's nothing possible. How is that possible? Nothing. There's nothing. Like ever. Okay, this should be working as well, but let's try it this way. Oh, come on. Let's see. I'm going to recopy this. It's not working. There's something wrong here. Load from clipboard. How can I do this? Okay. Okay, I'm going to do this way. If you press that, load the image from the clipboard. It's not working. So what I'm going to do is, let's load actually a file. Let's load this Cannonball. Is this going to work? Okay, it's working. So actually it works only if you load an image and not if you load it from the clipboard. I feel kind of sad for this. Hey. What's wrong? Go and do your cat things away from here. Now the main problem here is that I don't know, I need to experiment a little bit, so what I'm going to do is to save an image. Before that I need something like, let's see. I need some text. And what I'm going to do is right click, load from clipboard image, and I'm going to save this image. Save as PNG, all files, A. Let's see if it works. Okay, this shouldn't work because actually I had let's see, my A file. It is actually empty. It would be great if I could drag and drop this way stuff. I can't do that. So basically it's going to save anyway the stuff here, and that's not a good thing. I need to know if the image is greater than 0 basically. Let's see if I can do this in any means. Can I load the image from here? Create a directory, name, delete it, change file actions, create a file, append the file to a file. Don't know what this means at all. Copy a file, move a file, append text to a file. Open loads, actor, title, clear. Let's see if there's any way I can do this from here. File selector. Oh, okay, no. It's writable. Name exists. Is the file. Last action, okay. Let's see if name is a file. It's not going to be that good. File saved, file loaded, resources. Image is transferred as alpha. The fact is that I can do this in any means. Let's see. Dark wire. This side is a great side, by the way. So, find if find kilobytes. Size. File size. File browser allows you file exist. And so let's see. Debug object. Oh, this might be what I'm looking for. This is a simple object for debugging MF programs. Allows you to run events on crash. Also feature logging to file. Okay, not what I need. File access, archive. Allows you to include a file browser in your application. File exist objects. and a simple extension to assist including external files in your compiler. Okay. File up, check this I was using. Reads and writes text or lines of text or file streams. The format object allows you to define a file format, then use that format to save it. Okay, nice one. Let's see. File correlation. Probably I can do this by adding another active, loading the new file, and yeah, I can do that because actually this could work. Displays an image file as a background picture. Okay, I'm going for that other way. Okay, the solution for this is going to be the other one. What we're going to do is to check if the active, this other one, let's add another active here. And this is going to be out here, far from the view. Let's see. Create, no. Destroy, no. Okay. This is going to be a preloader. Rename it. So no matter if the person is going to find out that I'm consuming his memory. So what I'm going to do is, let's see, here, get image from clipboard, convert it to PNG, so I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to use this expression here, app path. So let me see, plus image overlayer temp file. .png. Actually, this is not important, so it's going to be just image overlay temp file. Okay. And okay. Then what I'm going to do is, let's see, paste image. So I'm going to find out if there's a name exists. Name is a file actually. So app path plus image overlayer temp file. Then I can actually, if this is going to be a true thing, I'm going to load that where's my new active? Okay, this is the new active, preloader. So I'm going to go and new picture from, no, new picture, create backdrop. So all right. Okay, this should work now. Just to make sure that this is working, I'm going to put this here, so we can have it in our very good. So there's no. What I'm going to do is just copy an image here. Copy this image. Okay, it is working actually. So what I'm going to do now is just set this. Let's see. This is going to be here, and actual dimension is 32 for 32, and this is going to be empty, so I'm going to set it 1 for 1. So if it's greater than 1 pixel, it's going to be something right there. So let's see. Oh, this is very. Set to none. Okay. This is going to be so. This is going to be if. Image of active 2. Let's see, position. I need the dimensions of this. So I'm going to compare general values here. 2 general values. I'm getting its width. Get original width. Now get screen width. Get horizontal. Okay, get resized width. So is greater than 1. So actually you can't open, paste and 1 pixel image. So it's going to set this on. It's lower than 2. Okay. It's going to set this off. Edit. Set. Alterable. No, not this one. Set the flag. Set the flag off. Okay. This is going to be off. So we have this working now. And what we're going to do is that if this is on, you can actually paste the image. So okay, I can just drag and drop from here. Have this on. Set it off, set all the stuff there. And what I'm going to do is load new picture, use expression, image or layer, temp, file. Okay, now this should work, guys. Let's see. Oh, there's no image. How is this possible? Hey. Very fun. My other cat here. So let's see what's wrong with this. I don't know why it's not working now. Let's reset this to 32, 32. Probably is this the problem? Let's see. Oh, I see. Oh, what I'm going to do is actually I'm not cleaning the temp file. So on end of application, file, clear last file action, delete the file. This way I'm not going to leave any track of all this shit I'm doing on the background here. So let's see. This shouldn't work. Oh yeah. So if I do that, it's fine. Something is not working that well. So let's see here. Menu. Auto resize on. So let's see. This was working at first, but right now I don't know what is going on. Probably somehow I changed this picture size fast. Known. Follow the frame. This is not fair. Okay, I need to do all this stuff again. So I don't think it's due to this, but let's see here. 32 for 32. I'm going to add a new one just to make sure this works. Let's see, active to There's 32 for 32 as well. So let's see. I'm going to change all this thing here. Let's see. Okay. I really don't get why this is not working. And this, yes, it's working. Now let's see if I can change this in any matters. known. So let's see. Okay, that's all. I needed to set it to known, and yes, just delete that. I don't need that. And this is going to be 1 for 1 as well, like it was before. Let's see now. Okay. Let me see. No, known. So, okay, this is working. Now we're done, and we're ready to do all the good shit. Oh, it's nearly 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, midnight, so I need to make sure I finish this thing before 12 o'clock because I need to sleep. Tomorrow is going to be a long day, studying hard. So let's put this something like 900. Okay, it's going to be well better. Let's see here. Activate. Okay. So I can actually paste the image. And we're done. We're right. So I'm just going to copy a link, and I'm going to try to do this as well. Oh, I can paste the link. So now what I'm going to do is to open an image. This one, I made this one. I'm quite proud of this. And I'm going to paste this. I can't paste it. So if I copy now this. Okay, this one. Let's see if I can copy this. Okay, we've done something today. We've done something today, and I can move this. I can set on top. I can unlock that. I can use the spots here as well and change it as well. I can put some stuff here and there, and I can add this stuff here as well. Just this is not going to work if you move. I mean, it's not going to zoom out all the grid, so I need a system to make that work as well, but just not today. For now, this is going to be right like it is. And this is going to be the new version. We are at version, I don't know what version was this. Let's see. This is version 70. Let's save this. Close this. And let's see. I need to build the application. Actually, no. I'm going to polish it a little bit. There's a lot of shit here. Okay, this, we don't need anymore this. So just delete this. Transparency, toggle flag, always set transparency to that, okay. There's an always here. And we don't need that. Flag off, flag on. Selection. Don't need this. Don't need this, and don't need this. Okay. I think we don't need this as well, but I'm just going to light it. Okay, that's all. We don't need this. Resizing, we don't need that as well. Let's see if everything is working fine. Paste, lock, paste. Okay, I can paste. I can lock. I can unlock it. I can open as well. Okay. Fine. Are these working as well? Okay. Now I don't know why this happens time to time. If you use that buttons there, something happens. So somehow you lose control on this. If I set this there, probably is because you just click with the mouse as well, so okay. I think this is working quite well, so I think I'm going just to export this, build application, image over layer 70. Guys, this is a little application I made, but I know this isn't the best out there. I know another one, it's a pretty good one. It's called PureRef, and I was very inspired by them, and I said, hey, I can do something like that as well. So I changed a little bit the UE and all the stuff, just because, you know, you need to challenge yourself. And I'm kind of happy with the result. It's not the best I can reach, but yeah, I did something. Okay guys, this was all. Hope you enjoyed it if you're watching this later, and see you next time. Keep making games and stuff. Bye guys.